Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions of the new Pat McGrath blushes. Oh my goodness, I finally received my order less than 30 minutes ago, so cannot wait to tell you guys my thoughts about these. First things first, if you like to watch makeup reviews and first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell so be notified every time I upload my videos, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video. Now let's go get started. I think we all have been waiting for Pat McGrath to come out with blushes, and she came through with the whole collection. So they came out with 9 blushes, lip products, 2 lip balms, I think lip gloss, and also a bullet lipsticks, a new blush, not blush, highlighter, new formula. I think I heard the highlighter is a new formula from Pat McGrath. I did not get that one, guys. I think I'm gonna get the one next time. So she had different sets or like trios from the website, cheaper to buy the products, or the trios or the sets, cheaper to buy the sets than to buy the products individually. So the trio, I have 3 shades in here for like 9 blushes for $96, so cheaper than to buy the products individually. So the blushes, they retail for $38 each, and they're made in Italy. Here are the unique cartons, and you can see, guys, a really pretty purple lilac packaging. I love her unique cartons. I still have the unique cartons that I bought from her previously, or the products that I bought from her maybe 3 months ago. So I'm gonna read the description about the blushes. It says on the website, on the Pat McGrath's website, that they are petal soft touch, silk, velvet powder, feather light, mistake proof application, buildable, vivid color, purity, demi matte, and satin pearl finishes. So I bought 2 demi matte shades and 1 like a satin pearl blush. So I'm gonna show you guys the packaging of the blushes. I'm gonna show you the lightest shade that I have with me. So first is the shade Nude Venus, which is a peachy pink with golden pearl. Then next is the shade Cherish, which is a neutral pink demi matte. And the last one is like a very deep terracotta. You know, I love my terracotta. Paradise Venus, which is a terracotta demi matte. They are very hard to open. They're not magnetic type, so you do have to press it down all the way down here. They're very hard to open, so I'm having a hard time. Yeah, there you go. All right, now, so first I'm gonna show you guys, first I'm gonna apply is the shade Nude Venus, which is a golden peach with a golden what is it, golden, has like golden pearl to it. So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. This is the lightest shade that I have, and I'm gonna apply this one on my right side. So this one, it's a buildable color. Well, this is perfect for every day. You don't want a really like bright color in the cheeks, so just want a flash of color, and maybe just like a medium coverage blush. This is pretty. This one I like. This one I like. This is so pretty. I think I did my brush maybe 3 times, and this color is so pretty. I like this. And maybe apply a little bit on my eyes right now. And the embossing is so beautiful. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. And then I'm gonna apply this one on my eyes. You know, just make this video a little fun, I guess. Even on the eyes, you see it's very natural, like a flash of color on my lid, on my right lid. And this is the color or the shade Venus. Always get confused with Nude Venus. This is pretty. This is pretty. This is really nice. I didn't have to dip my brush so many times. I really like this color, and I can see the like a satin finish of this one. Not too glittery, which I do not mind at all too. I mean, I don't mind glittery as long as the glitters are really fine. So this is really pretty, because satin, soft satin blush. I'm gonna show you guys the shade Cherish, because you know my name's Cherry, so I decided to get this shade Cherish. Okay, so this is the shade Cherish. It's so bright. It's like a pink, demi pink color. Oh my god, I'm not a pink person. I do not like pink blushes, but it's Cherish, you know. And then I'm gonna apply this one. I'm using a new brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my left side. Oh, this is pretty. And there you go, guys. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit, just on my eyes. The eyes also nice, not too pink, just a flush of pink on my left lid. This is pretty. I like this color. And then the last one, which is the darkest shade I have, is like a terracotta shade, also another demi matte finish. I'm just gonna remove maybe this one right here, because I love my Cherish. So I'm gonna remove this right side, and I'll be right back. It's the next blush I'm gonna try out is the shade Paradise Venus, which is like satin terracotta shade. This is a demi matte finish, and I'm using a clean brush. Ooh. Oh, this is, oh my god, so pigmented. Oh my god. I didn't even top off the excess. Let me top it off. This one's not as powdery as the shade Cherish. Oh my goodness, this is so pigmented. Yeah, I applied way too much. Way too much. As you can see, way too much blush. Doesn't look, it's a little, I should say a little patchy here. But I'm gonna fix this one after I apply this on my lid. And let me try this one on my eyes. Tell you my thoughts about these new blushes from Pat McGrath. I really like the formulation. They applied so smoothly, and the powdery was the shade, I think Cherish was a little bit powdery, which I'm wearing on my right side. On my left side, so I'm getting confused. On my left side, so you can see a very bright pink shade, and very nice. I think I only dipped my brush maybe twice or 3 times. So you can see very pigmented. So this will be really pretty also for, you know, darker complexion. If you have tan skin or maybe deep complexion, I think you're gonna like this color. For lighter skin tone or same skin tone as me, you might find this color way too bright for you. Maybe just, you know, dip your brush lightly and tap off the excess if you don't want a lot of color on your cheeks. But overall, this is a really nice color and very lightweight. Same way the shade terracotta. This is the Paradise Venus, which is a terracotta. So you can see very dark. I wanted something dark for my skin tone. You know, I love a pop of color on my cheeks, so this color is perfect for my liking. So for darker complexion, I think you're gonna like this one. For my skin tone, light to light medium with neutral undertone, this might be too much for you if you don't want like a lot of pop on your cheeks. Maybe just, you know, like I said, dip your brush lightly and tap off the excess. So this is so pigmented that you do not need a lot. Maybe I dip my brush maybe once, I think, and oh my god, you can see, guys, a lot of color on my cheeks, even on my eyes. So very deep color. This will be really great for darker complexion, also for somebody who likes to wear a lot of colors on the cheeks, especially me. I love like very pigmented blushes. I don't know why, but I just love blushes. And then for everyday, you know, natural everyday color, I would go with the Nude Venus, which is a peachy pearl. Let me Paradise Venus. Yeah, this Nude Venus is the lightest shade that I have with me. This is good for everyday. If you want something everyday, not a lot of color, just a flash of color in the cheeks, this is a really great color. Overall, I really like all the blushes that I purchased from Pat McGrath. I like the formulation. Like I mentioned before, I don't know if I mentioned this one. The only blush that was a little powdery was the shade Cherish, which I'm wearing right now. It's like a peach pink demi matte shade. But overall, I like all of the blushes, guys. I am very impressed with these. Not something like very unique with the formulation, not something very unique, but I personally really like pigmentation, like the colors. I mean, I just love everything. I just love everything. So let me know, guys, if you have tried anything, especially especially her new blushes, because I am interested. Maybe I'm gonna try maybe one more, like a lighter shade, because the color these two. Oh, I actually really like the deeper shades, but for everyday, I mean, I don't mind, but maybe I want something like a lighter shade. But overall, I am still very impressed of all the blushes from Pat McGrath. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.